For years, Michelin tires have been the #1 tire of choice for luxury car makers, appealing to drivers who want it all: unsurpassed handling, ride quality, and long tread life. At the forefront has been the Michelin Pilot MXM4 tire. Today, we've raised the bar even higher with the introduction of a new tire. Meet the Michelin Primacy MXM4 tire, superior even to the legendary Pilot MXM4 tire, a tire that enables premium luxury touring cars to perform the way they were intended. The Primacy MXM4 tire is uniquely positioned to give drivers of these high-end cars 360 degrees of ultimate satisfaction, including all-weather handling, great ride quality, and comfort.
Today's driver demands performance, which is why 63% of luxury car drivers insist on replacing their original equipment Michelin tires with another set of Michelin tires. The superior handling and confidence a driver will enjoy with the Michelin Primacy MXM4 tire is a big reason they've already been selected as OE tires on several top luxury touring cars.
Not only will this sleek-looking tire stop admirers, but its new design also offers shorter stopping distances in wet conditions than leading competitors. We put the wet stopping capability of this new Michelin luxury touring tire to the test against the Continental Conti Pro Contact. The results are impressive. The Michelin Primacy MXM4 tire stops up to 19 feet shorter. This impressive performance is made possible by a unique rubber technology featuring Helio Compound, one of Michelin's latest innovations. Our Helio Compound utilizes natural sunflower oil in the rubber compounds to help better dissipate the energy in the tread, even at low temperatures. In addition, the tread design on the Michelin Primacy MXM4 tire incorporates 3D variable thickness sipes that create biting edges to help give drivers more confidence in both rain and snow. Michelin, a better way forward.